NPN Chanavinlina. Chat, I swear, people want me to react to this song so bad. Chat, so I'm expecting good stuff. You know what I'm saying? So let's get it, man. I don't think I ever reacted to a lot of songs from NPN. But yeah, let's check this one. It's called Chanavinlina. Let's get it. Now that boy looking fresh with that white shirt with the suit, man. Hold it down. Look at these radios, bro. I remember back then when you had to like kind of screw and then like the radio, you screw it and then like you move it to the channel, it'd be like 86.1 and then it'd be like shh, 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 and then do. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Bro have a good voice too, like Teb. He sound like Teb somehow. Okay. Yeah. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Woo. Down. Woo. Oh, listen. Okay. Yep. Let's go. Okay. Yep. And then Jared, what is that instrument? What is that? What is the name of the instrument? This thing, bro. Watch. Down. That thing is a machine, bro. We got another song with Tep, he said right here. Let's check it out. Shanla Lila, can I dance? No captions? Down. Okay. Over here, I feel like somehow, why do I feel like I'm gonna struggle to know who is 10%, who's NPN? Oh, damn, look at that short right there. Okay. Down. Let's go. Yes. Let's go. Bro, this guy's friendship comes from a way long ago. When was this video, man? 2 years ago. These guys been knowing each other for a long ass time. No cap. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. You hear that? Hold on, man. Somebody made me remove my intro, bro. Somebody said my intro was so ugly. So I had to like get rid of it. So let me know if I should bring my intro, bro. I feel like that shit was cute. I don't know. Somebody was like, it's giving now. It's giving Barbie. I had to take it out, man. So I ain't gonna like NPN tip. They go crazy, man. So listen, it's your bedtime. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe and let me know what show is next.